Hey there, chemists. Welcome to CHE3000, Introduction to Chemical Research. I'm Dr. Bob Swarthout, and I'll be your instructor for this semester. And in this video, I'm going to give you a little bit of an introduction to who I am and tell you a little bit about what we're going to be doing this semester. So I got my undergraduate degree from the State University of New York at College at Cortland. And there I did a dual major in chemistry and biology. After that, I got my master's in environmental science at the College of Charleston down in Charleston, South Carolina. And my thesis work there involved developing methods for measuring persistent organic pollutants in the blood of endangered animals, so sea turtles and dolphins. After that, I did a PhD at the University of New Hampshire in Earth System Science. And my work there are focused on quantifying emissions of volatile organic compounds and greenhouse gases from hydrofracking operations for natural gas. And after that, I did a short postdoc at the Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution, where I was looking at how oil changes in the environment and the impacts that oil spills have on ocean and coastal systems. So I started at App about 8 years ago. And I'm still using chemistry to help preserve our natural world and focusing on water, soil, and air quality issues. An interesting thing about my position here at App is that I have a joint appointment in the Department of Geological and Environmental Sciences. And over there, I'm the director of the Environmental Science program. So while my office is in Garwood, you might see me over in Rankin quite a bit, because I do a lot of teaching over there. But I am super psyched to teach this course this semester because I've been teaching a similar course for environmental science students for quite some time. And I'm really happy to be part of the development of what I consider to be the single most important course that you will take as a student here at App. Of course, I may be a little bit biased, and you might say, well, what about the fundamentals that we learn in Gen Chem, or the reaction mechanisms that we learn in organic and biochem, or the underlying forces driving chemistry that we learn about in PChem, or the measurement techniques in quant and instrumental? And I say, sure, those are all great. They're important too. But what we cover in this course is going to be applicable to whatever career path you're going to choose. Whether that's to continue on in laboratory science, in industry or academia, or whether you're going to go into something like pharmaceutical sales or project management, or go into the chemical regulation and safety field. So what are we going to do this semester? We're going to focus on the skills that are going to help make you a successful professional. Part of the course is going to focus on scientific literacy, learning how to find, read, and critically evaluate literature, and work with quantitative data in Excel. You're also going to get some exposure to and learn how to critically evaluate technical oral presentations from professional speakers during our Friday seminar series. And as this is your upper level WID course, your writing in the discipline course, we're going to be working on developing your technical writing abilities while exploring issues around chemical safety and responsible conduct of research. And we're going to do this through writing a standard operating protocol and doing a risk hazard assessment. And finally, we're going to give you an opportunity to start searching for and preparing to apply for jobs or graduate school programs, if that's what you're interested in. And we're going to do this by writing a resume and a cover letter. And we're going to do mock interviews, which are always super fun. As I said, this is material that I really love to teach, and I'm really excited to meet all of you and work together on developing what I consider to be some of the most critically important skill sets that you can develop as a young scientist or early career scientist. All right, I look forward to seeing you all in class.